Have you ever thought that what story you want to tell to the world? आपकी अपनी क्या स्टोरी आप दुनिया को सुनाना चाहते हैं? Please take a pause and try and understand. आपकी मन की चाहत क्या है? अपने बारे में कौन सी स्टोरी आप बताना चाहते हैं? This is a place where your voice will be heard and all the voices will come together to be heard. Hello friends, welcome to Ishita's podcast. This is a place where all untold stories, all even familiar stories with a different perspective will appear before you for you to learn and grow in your life and to be enriched with wisdom. And there are a lot of things which are on offer. Ishita welcomes you on the very first episode of Ishita's podcast. So ये बात बनती है कि why podcast? तो this is because I want to give back to the world that I have earned with last 25 years of my professional as well as personal journey. मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत लोगों के साथ काम किया, बहुत अलग अलग सेक्टर में काम किया. So basically, I'm a trainer, teacher, educator, and skill trainer. After wearing all those different hats, I could see myself as a social worker and a manager who manages projects, who leads projects, who create place for children to learn, to be heard, being a friend of the teachers to know their troubles and stories of success. Every human being can come from failure to success. It's actually every day's journey. हम हर दिन में बहुत बार सक्सेसफुल होते हैं क्योंकि हम अनगिनत काम करते हैं. But at the end of the day, we forget to count our success and be happy. This is so very important for us that you have someone who will let you know that these are the best and these are the places where you need to little walk for an improvement. And remember, there is always an improvement possible. There is a room for improvement. I'm so happy, after waiting a long. Today, there's an episode I could record because I'm learning and growing. And this is long story behind, which there will be time, definitely I'll share with you. So, आज के जो दिन है, I just want to start with a story of my life, which might be a case with many. बहुतों के साथ ऐसा होता होगा. There is always a time in life where you see that everything is ended or everything has gone for a pause और आपको आगे कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता and you start doubting your self-worth कि आप भी किसी काम के काबिल है. You also can do a lot. So let me start with a story that has changed my life, that has shifted my belief once again and let me believe on myself. And after this is a long journey which I could manage with that story because it's a wide wisdom which I want to share with you. तो ये है a story of 4 candles. 4 मोमबत्तियों की स्टोरी है. एक जगह पे 4 candles were burning, glowing and giving light. So the first candle was a candle of faith that was broken, and the candle went off, saying that this world has no faith. मेरा विश्वास टूटा है तो मैं और नहीं ग्लो कर सकती, ये बोल के वो बुझ जाती है. नेक्स्ट कैंडल था फ्रेंडशिप का. तो उसने बोला कि मैंने तो बहुत फ्रेंडशिप की है, मैंने अपनी तरफ से दिया है, बट बदले में मुझे क्या मिला? धोखा. बदले में मुझे क्या मिला जो मैंने कभी डिज़ायर नहीं किया. तो मैं नहीं ग्लो कर सकती. आई कांट ग्लो एनी मोर. सो सेइंग दैट कैंडल ऑल्सो टेक हिज वे अदरवाइज. उसके बाद और एक कैंडल था, दैट वाज लव. सो लव said that I'm full of care and love for everyone. I love everyone. I try to be in people's mind and life. But these days, nobody cares about love. And nobody actually needs. Everything is so superficial. Everything is so adulterated. I have no place in this world. So I should not be glowing anymore. Saying she also takes away. The last candle was hope. And the candle said, तुम सब बुझ जाओ, लेकिन मैं तो होप हूँ. जब तक दुनिया है, जब तक लाइफ है, तब तक मैं हूँ. मैं हूँ, इसलिए सारी दुनिया है. Saying this, the candle hope against lights, love, friendship, and faith. That was a story which stuck me the way I was blown away, saying that even there was nothing right was going at that point of life. I had hope to go further, to do further, to create change, to make things happen. And that day and today, that hope let me conquer difficulties, light lives, enlighten minds, and create impact within the lives of people who in turn is doing something and creating a change in this world. ना आपको ये लग सकता है कि why I want to give away something to the world and I'm so careful. Why so? इस मौके पे मैं एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ. See, I have many things to say because working with different people as different professional with different areas, I have always realized, जो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ सबको, कि you can do much better beyond your expectation than the place, than the situation, than the skill you are operating with. This is a self-doubt that works for people and people limit themselves thinking, इससे ज़्यादा तो कैसे possible है. So I have seen once you start believing, once you start exploring, it enriches your life. Or I always say that the world should be a better place to live in. Why? अभी जो मैं जानती हूँ, मैं सबको बताना चाहती हूँ. I'm so eager to let you know. Because once you are happy, your happiness gives me immense happiness and make me feel that the purpose of my life is served. Abhi, somebody has prepared, somebody has invented all those stuff with which I am communicating with you. You just think 20 years back, we would have never thought that we will communicate being in our house to the whole world within my cozy area from my room, I will be able to reach the whole world. Someone has done something beyond others' imagination and thought process, and here we are. So it's always that ripple effect, ripple effect that makes life better, world better, people better. And remember, if someone is crying beside you, you can't smile. So ये हमारी दायित्व होती है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि वॉट एवर वी डू, we can't help doing. From a cleaner to the top level administrator, the leader of the nation, everyone is working not for self, but for others. So when you are working for others, you are happy, we are happy. So that's the equation we need to understand. That's why Ishita's podcast. There something sometimes need to be understood from a different perspective. See, we always say give and take. We never say take and give. So पहले तो देना होता है, फिर ना पाओगे. So खुशियाँ, that's we want. And खुशी की कोई कीमत नहीं है. You can't go to the market and buy a kg of happiness. This is something that we get the feeling out of some good work. So, while talking to you, I just thought of sharing a story. I remember one of my student who was highly shy to speak in my communication classes, and he used to understand that he's not a speaker, so he can't speak. So what he used to do, he used to come front, as I made a rule that everyone will have to come and say something that they like. He used to come and fold his sleeves and stand and smile and disappear. So one day I had a talk with him that you can do. I said, you can do. He said, no, I'm not good at that. I said, you try, you can do. So some tips, some discussion I did with him. And that's the day I saw him putting effort and trying and saying something in that happy face. After a month or so, I don't remember exactly, one of my colleague came and told that your student secured a position in an extempore speech that is being organized by the organization. And there he said, today whatever I am, because of Ishita ma'am. That's my name. So that's the happiness we look for. That's the satisfaction we look for. That whatever we have done, somebody is benefited. So now I would like to let you know a very special intention of Ishita's podcast. So this podcast has a lot to offer to the students for their growth and development, because they are the future of this nation. And my heart beats for the student, and I always felt extremely happy whenever I'm among students. They are the life, they are the heartbeat of this country. If they are living well, then the country, the nation is really going ahead and making a better place to live for everyone. And the woman, every girl child to start with, because a girl child, the journey of a girl child towards womanhood and ultimately being a mother may not be for everyone, but mostly. This journey needs to be nurtured. This journey needs to be well taken care of, and हर एक बच्ची के लिए, हर एक बेटी के लिए एक सुनहरा भविष्य होना चाहिए, उसके लिए ज़िम्मेदार कौन है? जो माएँ हैं, जो लड़के हैं, जो लड़कियां हैं, जो बेटी और बेटे हैं, जो बेटा और बेटी है, उनको एजुकेट करना, उनको शिक्षा देना पेरेंट्स का काम है, स्पेशली एक माँ का काम है, बिकॉज द चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी मच अटैच्ड विद द मदर फर्स्ट. It's not a biased statement, but more or less this is the truth. So हर एक माँ को उतना empowered, उतना सशक्त होना चाहिए कि he or she can deliver that space, that learning for her kids, her children, जो बड़े होके उनका नाम इस देश का, इस समाज का नाम रोशन करे, अभी a resource for the mankind. तो every mother, every woman should be well equipped, empowered and transformed towards the best version of themselves so that they can live happily and the society in turn can be very happy and fruitful and the desired society that we want. And जितने भी सारे professionals हैं, the people who are working, irrespective of gender, age and everything, they are equally important because they are the contributing part. Whatever may be your profession, you are a human being who is contributing to the mankind, whatever may be your profession as well. So, उन सब के लिए this would be a learning platform because I want to share everything that I have learned and I am learning every day to grow and to let everyone grow with me. See, it's not an individual space. This world is not an individual space. हमारे अकेले के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. हम साथ हैं तो ही खुशी है, तो ही सब है. सो आपको कुछ ऐसी जानकारी, कुछ ऐसी कहानियाँ सुनने को मिलेंगी दैट विल मेक यू ब्लोन अवे, जो कभी नहीं सुना है, और ऐसी कुछ कहानियाँ जो तो बहुत सुना है बट उसके पीछे क्या सच है उसको उस तरह से नहीं देखा है जिस तरह से देखने वाले हो. एंड I must not forget the children who love stories. So there will be a lot of stories from which they can have fun and most precisely they can learn, they can change their life, they can shape their life, they can proceed towards a better future, knowing what is life. So ये सारी बातें and बहुत सारे surprises would be waiting for you from the very next episode of Ishita's podcast. आपसे बातें करके बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है and I hope आपको भी बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है cause something or the other new initiatives will be explored through these episodes. So now a question comes in your mind. Why should you be watching Ishita's podcast? Why should you be a part of Ishita's podcast? Because let me tell you what is my intention is getting you from confusion to clarity. Let you know how to communicate and how to reach out to people, how to sell your ideas, share your ideas, and how to make your life the desired one with every small, micro, and tiny steps that you can take every day. Slowly you can enrich. You can live a life of happiness. Happiness, yes, that's a series you're going to have. We are going to explore what happiness exactly is and how we see it, we figure it out. And let me tell you, this particular definition causes all the miseries in your life. जब तक आप समझ जाओगे कि खुशी कैसे आती है, कहाँ से आती है, आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ना खुद ब खुद सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. सो it would be a journey for you to be your better and the best version. और आपकी भी स्टोरीज आप शेयर कर पाओगे सबसे, being very proud. So that's my objective, that's my goal, that whoever comes to my podcast live with smiling faces mostly. हाँ, कभी थोड़ा बहुत आपको भी दुख होएगा, because when you realize that something hasn't gone right in our life, maybe because of our misunderstanding, our misconception, or something that we didn't know earlier. So that's my request to all of you. Please be a part of the podcast and join your hands with mine, because हम अकेले कुछ भी नहीं है. So one thing let me tell you, I have a group in my Facebook that's known as Voice of Woman. So the link is below. Please do join in the Voice of Woman group in my Facebook, because I would like to create a cohort of women जहाँ पे सब प्रोफेशंस की, सब लेवल की औरतें वोमेन रहे टू हेल्प ईच अदर, जहाँ पे सारे औरतें, all women are eager to help each other and grow holding their hands. So if you feel like, I would request you to kindly join. So this podcast is designed for any and everyone who wants to grow, develop in their life, and really want to create some impact in the society and the life of people. ये आइडिया मुझे कहाँ से आई, कैसे आई, इसको भी थोड़ा बता ही देती हूँ. So when I used to conduct my trainings, so people are full of hall, so पकड़ लीजिए 100-200 जो भी है या उससे ज़्यादा. So after the training, when people used to come to me and used to ask what next and what more they can learn, so हमेशा एक ख्वाहिश रही है कि कैसे और लोगों को बेनिफिट हो, कैसे और लोगों को आई कैन शेयर माई लर्निंग्स विद. तो उसी के चलते दिस इज़ द प्लेस व्हेन वी से सोशल मीडिया वी कैन कनेक्ट टू द होल वर्ल्ड. एंड जैसे the air, the water, the soil can't be divided with the boundaries of the countries and nations, human beings are also connected at the energy level. I mean environmental level, cosmic level, we all are connected. So that's why we believe in the philosophy Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. तो एक ही एनर्जी दूसरे को इम्पैक्ट ज़रूर करती है. तो जितना पॉजिटिविटी हम फैलाएंगे उतना ही अच्छा है सभी के लिए. एंड वी डोंट एक्चुअली डू और गिव आवर सर्विस टू आवरसेल्व्स. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर मैं एक प्रोफेशनल बनती हूँ, पकड़ लीजिए मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ, I have really done very good in my studies. मैंने खुद पे बहुत इन्वेस्ट किया और मैं बहुत अच्छी डॉक्टर बनी. That's not to treat myself but to treat others. That's not directly to benefit myself but to benefit others. मैं जितना अच्छा अपने पेशेंट का ख्याल रखूँगी, जितना अच्छा ट्रीट कर पाऊँगी, and that will really save the patient life, and that will save others and benefit my patients. तो इसी तरीके से the papers that I study during my medical studies, वो तो दैट्स रिलेटेड टू माई स्किल्स, लेकिन एक अच्छा डॉक्टर बनने के लिए जो इनर जर्नी होती है, जो सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट होती है, दैट्स ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सिमिलरली आप कोई भी प्रोफेशन देख लीजिए, एनी एंड एवरीथिंग, वी वॉट एवर वी learn, we just earn, but we invest that for others, we do the expenditure for others' benefit. तो क्यों ना हम इस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से समझें, एंड ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस, अगर किसी को लगता है कि मैं तो कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर पाती हूँ, आई एम श्योर दैट एवरी वन ऑफ अस हैज़ a very prominent and very effective what to say energy and skills and capability to contribute to self, to others, to the mankind, to the society and nation. तो यही को इसी बात को मन में रखते हुए आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट स्पेसेस जहाँ पे you hear the stories which inspires. At the same time, we are eager to know your experience, learn from your experience and share your experience to the world. आपने जो भी किया है, क्योंकि हम सारे दिन में ना बहुत छोटे बड़े विन्स हमारे लाइफ में होती है, हम सक्सेसफुल होते हैं बहुत सारे कामों में, बट विद द टाइम आई थिंक वी समटाइम फॉरगेट टू सेलिब्रेट दोज एंड शेयर दोज. सो एक रिक्वेस्ट आप लोगों से भी है, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट एपिसोड एंड दिस इज़ जस्ट एन इंट्रोडक्टरी राउंड. तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज़ शेयर योर स्टोरीज, शेयर योर क्वेरीज, शेयर योर फीडबैक and the comment, so that this podcast can be built and the episodes can be designed for your benefit, for your betterment. और at the end of the day हमें चाहिए क्या? खुशी तो चाहिए, और खुशी आती है हमारे काम से, हमारी कंट्रीब्यूशन से. अगर किसी और को बेनिफिट होते हुए देखते हैं, मेरे वजह से किसी और का अच्छा हुआ, तो बहुत ही शांति मिलती है, बहुत सुकून, और इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन जो हमें मिलती है. सो इसी को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए, इट इज़ माई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज़ कंट्रीब्यूट, प्लीज़ शेयर योर फीडबैक, सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड क्रिएट एपिसोड्स एज पर दैट. With this note, we are at the conclusion of the very first episode. Thank you so much for watching, and it is a request, or you can say a ritual of YouTube, कि आपको अगर पसंद आई मेरी बात, अगर सही लगी मेरी बात, तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए, एंड सब्सक्राइब इसलिए करना है, मेरा सब्सक्राइब बढ़ेगा वो सही है, बट सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो ही तो इशिता's पॉडकास्ट आप तक पहुंच पाएगी. नहीं तो यूट्यूब में एक से एक अच्छे लोग हैं जो बना रहे हैं और बहुत सारे कंटेंट बन रहे हैं. सो डू द नीडफुल एंड शेयर योर कमेंट. इशिता's पॉडकास्ट इज़ अ प्लेटफॉर्म where we learn, share and grow. With this note, I would like to convey my best wishes to you all. Love you all. God bless. See you in the next episode. Thank you.